Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things legal and empower you with knowledge. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that many people have questions about: power of attorney. Specifically, we'll be addressing the intriguing question: does power of attorney expire? So, if you're curious about the duration and potential termination of a power of attorney, you're in the right place. I'm your host, and together, let's unravel the mysteries surrounding the duration of POA. Before we jump into the details, let's start with a brief overview of what power of attorney actually means. Power of attorney is a legal document that grants an individual, known as the agent or attorney in fact, the authority to act on behalf of another person, referred to as the principal. This legal tool is incredibly important as it allows for the seamless management of affairs in various aspects of life. However, the question of whether power of attorney expires is a crucial one to address. So, let's get right into it. To understand the expiration of power of attorney, we need to explore the different factors that determine its duration. First and foremost, there are specific timeframes set for certain power of attorney arrangements. These are known as limited power of attorney, where the agent's authority is granted for a specific period or until a predetermined date. This type of power of attorney is often utilized when the principal requires temporary assistance, such as during travel or illness. Another aspect to consider is the event-based conditions that can influence the expiration of power of attorney. In some cases, a power of attorney is designed to spring into effect only when a specific event or condition occurs. For instance, a principal may create a springing power of attorney that becomes active when they are medically determined to be incapacitated. This approach ensures that decisions are made in the principal's best interest and only when necessary. It's also important to differentiate between revocable and irrevocable power of attorney. A revocable power of attorney can be terminated by the principal at any time, regardless of the specified duration. On the other hand, an irrevocable power of attorney cannot be easily revoked and remains in effect until a specified termination date or the occurrence of an event. Understanding the type of power of attorney you have is crucial in determining its expiration and termination clauses. We should also mention that the death of the principal automatically terminates the power of attorney. Once the principal passes away, the agent no longer has the authority to act on their behalf. Similarly, if the power of attorney is designed to be effective until the principal regains capacity, it ceases to be valid once the principal is no longer incapacitated. These conditions highlight the importance of carefully selecting an agent and ensuring that the power of attorney accurately reflects the principal's wishes. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about the expiration and termination of power of attorney. Question 1. Does a power of attorney expire after a certain period? No, a power of attorney does not automatically expire after a specific period. Its duration depends on the terms specified by the principal in the document. It can remain in effect until the specified termination date, occurrence of an event, revocation, death of the principal, or the principal's regaining of capacity. Question 2. Can a power of attorney be terminated before the expiration date? Yes, a power of attorney can be terminated before the specified expiration date. The principal holds the authority to revoke the power of attorney at any time as long as they have the mental capacity to do so. The principal holds the authority to revoke the power of attorney at any time as long as they have the mental capacity to do so. It's important to provide a written revocation notice to the agent and any relevant parties involved to ensure the termination is properly communicated. Question 3. Can a power of attorney expire if the principal becomes incapacitated? If the power of attorney is durable, it remains in effect even if the principal becomes incapacitated. This is an important feature as it allows the agent to continue acting on the principal's behalf during their incapacity. However, it's crucial to carefully define the conditions under which the power of attorney should cease, such as the principal's recovery of capacity or the occurrence of a specific event. Question 4. What happens if the agent abuses their authority or acts against the principal's wishes? If the agent abuses their authority or acts against the principal's wishes, the principal or another concerned party can take legal action to challenge or revoke the power of attorney. It's essential to document any instances of misconduct or breach of fiduciary duty and consult with an attorney to explore the available options for resolution. Question 5. Can a power of attorney be extended or renewed? Yes, a power of attorney can be extended or renewed if the principal wishes to continue granting authority to the agent beyond the original expiration date. This can be done by creating a new power of attorney document or amending the existing one through a formal process. It's advisable to consult with an attorney to ensure the extension or renewal is legally sound. Question 6. What happens if the power of attorney document does not specify an expiration date? If the power of attorney document does not specify an expiration date, it is generally assumed to be a durable power of attorney that remains in effect until it is revoked or the principal passes away. It's important to review the document carefully and consult with an attorney to confirm the intentions and scope of the power of attorney. Conclusion. In conclusion, the expiration of a power of attorney depends on various factors, including the type of power of attorney, specified duration, occurrence of events, and the actions taken by the principal. While some power of attorney arrangements have predetermined expiration dates or conditions, others remain in effect until revoked or specific events take place. It is crucial to review and understand the terms of the power of attorney document and seek legal advice to ensure compliance with applicable laws. We hope that this video has shed light on the duration and potential expiration of power of attorney, addressing the curiosity surrounding this topic. Remember, knowledge is power, and being well informed about legal matters can protect your rights and interests. Thank you for watching today's video on whether power of attorney expires. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more legal insights. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. As always, stay informed, stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.